Hi guys, it's Jenny with Cabbage Patch Rescue. So today I got a box. I got a box of one of the brand new Cabbage Patch Kids. It is May 2026 and they dropped some new babies on the website like I think a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and people have been posting about them, and I am on a limited journey to get some more diversity in my patch. And I was really looking for a dark-skinned AA baby with curly corn silk hair. And I've been looking more in the vintage world for one. I had even ordered one, but I like to look at babies that I can put on a posable body, which they only made in 1990. But they don't have a lot of medium skin tones in the posables. They don't have any, actually. So we've had growth since then, but I really wanted a head mold 19 dark-skinned AA baby with corn silk hair, and they put out the new babies and there was one, so I had to do it. So I'm going to take you along with me. So I ordered this from cpk.com. You see me looking down at my watch, it's because I want to see what you're seeing. Okay. Just normal box here. Got the receipt. And she's not what's considered a toy one. She's just in a box with a bag, which actually I restore Cabbage Patch, and this is pretty much what they look like when I send them out. So, oh, I bet this is the birth certificate. Aww, birth certificate. This certifies that Ashaya Naomi, I picked that. It's a combination of two of my favorite students from last year. So actually Naomi's from 2 years ago, Ashaya's from last year, and it's just a nice way to think about them. So they have changed the way that they do the birth certificates. Okay, here she is. Let me seal her bag here. All of my babies are on the smaller side. I have a lot of 16-inch because I put them on posable bodies. So even if I get a 14-inch, which I actually do really like the head molds on most of the 14 inches, I put them on a 16-inch body. Oh my gosh, she is a tall girl. Oh, I messed up her pretty hair. Oh, they thought of that. They have her in a little hairnet. She does come with ribbons. Okay. Take this hairnet off so we can get the big reveal here together. Okay, I like that she has traditional small curls. I wanted something authentic feeling with the hairstyle. Oh my gosh. This is some nice, soft corn silk hair. It is like tiny little curls. I do not have any that have this kind of hair. It is a little bit like flattened down. I'm gonna have to work with it. This is so soft. It really feels like AA hair. Like, it feels like they went all in on really trying to have authentic hair, which I prefer so greatly. This is the best AA hair I've ever seen on a CPK, especially once it gets some bows in it. And she's got like some little pin curls here in the front, like her bangs. This is Just so soft. So soft. It's got a lot of volume to it. So she's the head mold 19, which I love. She does not have any freckles, which I don't know if you guys have seen, but there's some vintage AA kids that have freckles, and I want one of those so bad, but I can never find any. So I saw it once. Okay, she is really cute, and she's kind of big. I'm gonna back up. You can see. You get the full view of her. She's got cute little like red fake patent leather shoes on, and she's got these cute tall socks with lace. Oh, and these are hearts. This will make a good little like Valentine's Day dress. Do you like to dress yours up for different holidays? I kind of, in my Cabby closet, I'm kind of getting like 4th of July, Christmas, Valentine's Day, because I'd like to set the scene a little bit. A lot, actually. Okay, her body feels well made. It feels like the same material that the 1990s kids are made of. I'll just try to show you in proportion. If I'm holding her, she's pretty big. So I bet she's 20 inches. Okay, her face has some blushing on it, not a lot. I could have stood for more blushing. It's very slight. But her eyes kind of go back to how they used to do the paint. I'm glad she does not have black lining under her eyes. It's a really nice shape. Oh, she does have blushing on her tongue, which is something that I thought was kind of missing in the past. Like, why isn't the tongue red? Let's see if she sits up. So she's sitting up on her own. That's good. That's great, actually. These cute little pin curls. I have not seen that on a Cabbage Patch at all. I like it so much better than the loops. Okay, well, thanks for coming along, joining me here. Cabbage Patch Rescue, Jenny. Peace.